Hello everyone. As we know that National Education Policy NEP 2020 is ready to be implemented. Here are some of the key features about it. The NEP 2020 is designed to bring transformation in present education system. The main pillars of this policy are access, equity, quality and accountability. The vision of this policy is to transform India into a global knowledge superpower. There has been three national education policies up till now. The first NEP was introduced into 1968. The second NEP was introduced in 1986 and the third education policy is introduced in 2020. NEP 2020 is a teachers oriented policy which is focused on restoring the lost dignity and respect of the teachers. Only very best and excellent students will be able to enter this profession after completion of a 4-year degree program. Teachers recruitment. There will be a provision for a scholarship to study 4-year B.Ed program. Female candidates will be posted in their local areas and incentive will be given to candidates opting placement in rural areas. Housing facilities will be given near or in the school premises. Teachers transfer practice will be discouraged. Teachers eligibility test, NTA test score will be considered for recruitment. Subject expert teachers will be shared in a group of schools in a given specific area and the sole responsibility of a teacher will be academics, no other work will be assigned. Service environment and culture. Schools will be providing decent and pleasant service conditions with adequate and safe infrastructure, neat and clean working toilets, clean drinking water, internet and libraries facilities to keep the teachers updated, sports and recreational resources. Teachers will not be engaged in non-teaching activities so that they will be able to concentrate on teaching learning duties only. There will be an involvement of teachers in governance of a school in alliance with parents and other local stakeholders. Teacher will have the liberty to choose the features of pedagogy and the school will share counselors and social workers to support teachers. Teachers of a small school and larger school will work together and share their best practices with each other. Continuous professional development CPD. Opportunities will be provided to the teachers to keep them abreast of latest knowledge in the form of various workshops. Shares of teachers' best practices and ideas will be encouraged and the school principals and leaders will get workshops to improve and share their skills. They will get 50 plus hours training module to strengthen their leadership qualities. Career management and progression. Teachers doing outstanding work will be recognized and promoted on following parameters: peer reviews, attendance, and the hours of CPDs. Outstanding teachers with leadership and management skills would be trained for leadership positions in schools, BRC, BITES, as well as relevant government departments. Teacher education. Minimum qualification for teachers for teaching will be a 4-year integrated B.Ed by the year 2030. Teachers eligibility test TET will be changed or divided into 4 parts as per new school system. There are few changes in B.Ed program. It will be a 4 years duration and dual B.Ed degree with focus on one language. 1 and 2 years B.Ed options will also be available. B.Ed will include the most recent techniques in pedagogy with respect to fundamental literacy, multi-level teaching, teaching children with disabilities or with special talents, and use educational technology, learner centered and collaborative learning. Promoting teachers from rural areas. Female outstanding students who will speak local language in rural areas will be given special incentives, merit based scholarships for studying B.Ed, and will be given preference for employment in their local areas as role models after completion of the B.Ed. Mandatory training courses, workshops and online teachers development module will be provided under new policy for promoting continuous professional development for teachers. Every year teachers have to participate at least 50 hours or the period fixed by the state government for CPD. For schools principals, the CPD modules relating to leadership and management will be provided. Professional standards for teachers. NCERT will develop a common guiding set of national standards for teachers NPST by 2020. NPST will determine all guidelines for a teacher's career and appraisal. These professional standards will be revised after every 10 years. Teaching and technology. Equipping teachers with latest technology and educational methodology. NETF, the National Educational Technology Forum, an autonomous body will be created for this purpose. Existing technology platform, that is Swayam or Diksha, has been encouraged under new education policy. Master instructors for teaching local art, music, business, sports, carpentry and other vocational crafts will get training under short educational programs. As teacher education requires multidisciplinary inputs and education in high quality content as well as pedagogy, all teacher education programs must be conducted within composite multidisciplinary institute. New education policy focuses on learning instead of studying and is based on critical thinking rather than curriculum with special focus on passion, practicality and performance. Thank you.